The BMW X5 E70 key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium battery. Symptoms of a failing battery include dim LED lights, delayed response, or complete remote failure. To replace the battery, use a small screwdriver or coin to pry open the key fob case. Avoid damaging the internal circuit board. Once open, locate the battery compartment and remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the orientation with positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the correct orientation. Securely close the key fob case. You can purchase the CR2032 battery online or at most electronic stores for around $2 to $5. After replacing the battery, the key fob may need to be resynchronized with your BMW. Try cycling the ignition by turning the car on and off 5 times rapidly to reprogram. If the remote still doesn't work, there are several potential problems. Check the battery polarity to ensure it's correctly installed. Clean the battery contacts inside the fob to remove any corrosion. If these steps don't work, it might require professional reprogramming using a diagnostic tool, which can cost $50 to $150. If you damage the fob's circuit board during the battery replacement, professional assistance will be required. High-quality batteries are recommended to prevent corrosion. If you are uncomfortable doing the replacement yourself, a professional service is recommended.